Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are all about blending cozy country vibes with a little bit of chic charm, then you are in the right place. Today we are diving into the world of country chic farmhouse home decor, where rustic meets elegance and every room feels like a warm hug. I will be sharing tips and tricks to transform your space with vintage finds, natural textures, and lots of cozy charm. Whether you are looking to style a cozy living room, create a welcoming kitchen, or add farmhouse flair to any room, I have got you covered. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's add some farmhouse magic to your home. Bring in scented elements, use candles, diffusers, or dried herbs like lavender or rosemary to create a welcoming, natural farmhouse scent. Use chalkboards or message boards. Hang a large chalkboard in the kitchen or entryway to jot down menus, notes, or cute quotes. It's both decorative and useful. Add a touch of whimsy. Look for unexpected elements like a vintage skull turned plant stand or an old ladder used as a pot rack. Let your creativity shine. Choose soft, muted artwork, watercolor landscapes, floral prints, or old botanical illustrations fit perfectly with the country chic theme. Paint furniture in pastel chalk paints. Try soft dark egg blue, antique white, or shell green on dressers, nightstands, or side tables for the dreamy farmhouse feel. Make use of wreaths inside. Hang eucalyptus, cotton, or floral wreaths on mirrors, inside windows, or even over cabinet doors for extra charm. Use soft woven in leather accents. A distressed leather armchair or ottoman adds texture and pairs beautifully with soft linens and wood tones. Display everyday items as decor. Hang pretty aprons, straw hats, or open market bags on hooks. Let functional items become part of your visual story. Mix chairs at the dining table. Try mismatched vintage chairs, ovens on one side, or slip-covered seating for a cozy, collected over time look. Keep the clutter out. Country chic is cozy but clean. Use baskets, trays, or open boxes to keep things organized while staying stylish. Create a coffee bar or baking station. Dedicate a small corner with a cute coffee machine, mugs on hooks, vintage canisters, and a chalkboard menu for farmhouse charm. linen or ruffled curtains. Keep the windows light and airy with sheer linen, soft cotton, or ruffled edged curtains. Avoid heavy or dark drapes. Mix metals softly. Go for edged brush, rubbed bronze, or matte black for hardware and fixtures, keeping the overall look soft and vintage inspired. Display cookbooks or antiques in the kitchen. Open shelving with vintage cookbooks, copper pots, or animalware kitchenware adds character and a lived-in feel. Use chalkboard or shiplap walls. Adding shiplap or breadboard to a wall or ceiling instantly brings that farmhouse feel. Even a small accent wall works wonders. Layer rugs. Try layering a neutral jute rug with a soft patterned vintage style rug on top for cozy warmth and visual interest. Repurpose and upcycle. Use old leathers as blanket racks, turn crates into shelving, or transform vintage dressers into vanities. This adds personality and charm. Focus on functionality. Country chic is about living simply. Choose furniture and decor that are not just beautiful but practical too. Add a pop of floral, wildflowers, or dried lavender in a rustic jug or milk can bring softness and a country garden feel enters. Introduce white ironstone or ceramic dishes. Display them in open kitchen shelving or hatches, perfect for a farmhouse kitchen look. Use farmhouse patterns, gingham, ticking stripes, and grain set prints. Work beautifully for throw pillows, curtains, or table runners. Incorporate open storage, wire baskets, floating shelves, and oven bins. Not only add storage but also keep the farmhouse vibe intact. Use sliding barn doors, soft traditional doors with reclaimed wood sliding barn doors. They are functional and add instant rustic appeal. Create a cozy nooks. Add reading corners with a plush armchair, a vintage throw blanket, and a small side table with a candle or antique lamp. Fresh or fox greenery. Add life with eucalyptus trees, potted herbs, or vintage style planters. Soft lighting. Use candeliers, addition bulbs, or lantern style pendant lights to create a welcoming ambience. open shelving and farmhouse sinks. In the kitchen, open wood shelves and apron front sinks. Scream farmhouse chic. Layered textures mix burlap, cotton, linen, and chunky knits for warmth and coziness. Vintage finds and flower market treasures decorated with antique mirrors, animal pictures, distressed sign, or gold windows repurposed as decor. Mason jars and galvanized metal accents use mason jars for vases or candle holders and bring in galvanized trays, buckets, or lanterns for a country touch. Farmhouse furniture with feminine flair combine chunky wooden tables or open shelving with delicate details like curved chair backs or painted legs. Shabby chic touches incorporate lace, floral patterns, ruffled linens, and soft fabrics to balance rustic elements. Distressed wood and vintage finishes. Think reclaimed burnt wood furniture, whitewashed surfaces, and weathered picture frames. Neutral palette with pastel accents. Use whites, creams, soft greys, and muted pastels like blush pink, shell green, or dusty blue. Thanks for watching the video.